that dream will never come true.
Cleavage. We don't much. Do much.
There you go.
We need a stapler.
We need a
Staple to my skin.
Staple
Twins
into your
today.
skin.
Today we are twins.
Yep, twinsies.
Twinsy. And right here, do.
Okay. So today's 4th of July. Happy 4th, everybody. Yep, they took
my gyps!
They took the gyps. Anyway. So today is the 4th of July and we're having a party. A party.
Genny's making
Genny
food.
is making delicious food.
For me,
Yum.
do eat.
I wish it was tacos, but it's not tacos.
It's not tacos, it's something else. Not Taco Bell. We don't eat Taco Bell on holidays.
It's not on holidays because they're probably glozed. Glozed. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So we're just vlogging.
Dad, don't show them inside our fridge. That's nasty.
Yes, that's nasty. I got it.
And this is really nasty, too. We're gonna glow this so we can look really cute. Pretty cute.
Yeah, we're just gonna vlog.
Let's do at the family reunion. We're gonna
Okay.
introduce
Everyone. Okay, let's go find
Okay,
some
Genny,
people.
you're first.
At the family reunion, who we introducing? Who we introducing? This right here is Genny. He is really good.
You're not.
If you wanna be his friend, he is a dude. At the
My house is pretty dirty right now, but it's okay. This is my living room.
wow, cute.
Yep. This is grass. Eat it. Eat grass. Eat grass. This is my hallway.
Yep. Wanna take a big?
This is my parents' room.
Yep. Barons.
Then we go like this sometimes. So we're gonna act famous, and we're gonna ride around on our hoverboard through the streets. This is my office.
Wow.
Yep, it's my house.
This is how rich kids do house tours.
Yep, this is my bathroom, and don't go in there. It's gross.
Yep. Gross.
This is my
Kitchen.
kitchen and my dining room. We go speeding through here,
Speedy.
but hopefully we don't fall. That's all. I don't really have a bedroom or anything.
Yeah. No, not really.
This
Okay.
is all my house. That goes outside. That goes outside. That goes outside.
Okay. Okay. Flip it down.
Hey,
we're back.
Are those burgers? Oh, yummy.
Burgers are delicious.
Those are huge.
They shrink. Like me.
Oh my gosh, I have
I
grapes.
drink. I drink.
I have grapes.
I'm just little. Let me fall in the car. Give us a dapping to talk about.
Give us a dubbing. 4th of July. So, God. Oh, boop. 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 We love booping. He likes the boop.
Yeah, booping is daily.
It's a daily. A daily boop.
Okay, we gotta set it up somewhere.
Put it on the window.
Window. Yep.
That's where Gayla always puts it when she makes gay videos. You know, you guys, I can do some really cool tricks. Hold on, don't jump. I'm trying to do it. Oh my god. It didn't fall off. Gut that out.
Hey, hold on. I can do a cool trick.
Dude, I can't do that. I said I can do that, but I'm not cool enough, so I can't.
We take turns because we're fair and square. Fair and circle.
I just want to do a jump.
Wow, beauty. I'm gonna do
I'm really
some
beautiful.
jumps and then a back jump.
Okay. You're really cute.
I have to stretch. They're probably buns.
My dad was pretty good.
Wow. It's too hot. I need to dredge. Do my hands break with the beauty? Let's see if
Yes, call me pretty. Call me pretty.
call me cute because I am.
Gummy, any dime.
Yeah, gummy. 920, your mom.
Any dime.
Ew, what is
do
this?
that
Oh, I
on
thought there was a bug. Ouch. Okay. Let's get off this dead workroom or not. Okay, we'll freaking pick up the vlog later. Peace.
My stomach hurts.
And we're back. This is a new clip. What a cutie. And this is our friend of mine. But she's gay.
Okay, I'm gonna mix this into the brownies.
Please don't do that. I want the brownies. Don't do that. Hey, you guys want to see the ABCs?
Okay, wait.
Ready?
Let's spell brownies.
B-R-O-W-I-N. No, that's not how you spell N-I-E.
Oh,
N-I-N-I-E-S.
Gay! You're gay!
Oh, Geenan, it's Geenan. We love
Very
Geenan.
happy.
That's gay right there. His name's gay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
G-A-Y.
Spells Geenan.
Yeah, it spells Geenan. Jay Rascal's back. I can't show you his mixtape because it's over there, but follow him. Look. Here, we'll take a big and we'll insert it right now.
Oh my God, he's looking at us.
Center City TV.
You heard him, guys.
Subscribe at it.
Subscribe.
But I ain't replied back. I know you don't find that amusing. But I was with my dog Spoonlin. You been talking about love, I'm like,
Birdie.
prove it. Don't hit my
think we need to
hand,
turn it up
bitch,
a
break
little.
my wrist. Don't hit my hand, bitch, break my wrist. Don't hit my hand, bitch, break my wrist. You say you fucking with me, then show me that shit. Don't hit my hand, bitch, break my wrist. Don't hit my hand, bitch, break my wrist. Don't hit
You can't see me. I'm hiding.
We forgot to vlog at the fireworks, so I'll insert some clips of the fireworks that I posted on my Snap story.
And I'll
Add
send
me.
you some. I have some too.
You're a dank ass vlogger.
Yeah. But y'all, hey, this is our friend Maya. Say hi. Hey. Yeah, that's Maya. That's our brother's. I was gonna say boyfriend. I'm not a boy. I mean, a little boy.
Girlfriend, girl.
Yeah, but we're gonna fireworks. My feet hurt, but might as well just gill myself. Am I right?
Yep.
But anyway,
Because they were like, if you aren't gonna like come like with us, then you have to walk them.
I was like,
So
damn,
we
should have
wanted to
went
watch
with.
the fireworks closer, and they were trying to watch from far away, and I was like,
No. But happy 4th, everybody.
We were there for 5 minutes.
This is not going to be up on the 4th at
I hope
all.
you guys had a good 4th of July.
I'll probably edit this tomorrow night because that takes me like literally an hour to edit.
Bryce's
So
legs look like chicken.
it's a really long walk home, and I had this beat goat because I'm broke. But anyway, I'm really tired. Oh wow, fireworks! There are some fireworks. I just saw them. I got them on camera for you guys, even though this camera's really shaky because I don't have my tripod. But enjoy. Happy 4th, everybody. Happy birthday, America! Happy birthday, Raven. I can't sleep. Happy 4th. Okay, we're gonna try again. Happy 4th. Stop. Happy 4th.
Say happy 4th.
Happy 4th. Oh wait, happy 4th. Happy 4th. Plug it in. Oh, Happy 4th. All right, plug in my ears. I'm gonna cry. Wow. Happy 4th. Okay, hold on. I gotta clean up my fingers.
I love your shirt. I'm your favorite bird. I poop probably like once a week. Don't put this in.